Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to match two photos in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open two image. Example, I use two image. Okay, then Alt Shift. Then hold Control, select two image, go to Edit tab and blend layers, stack image. See this message and again resize. Let's convert to smart object, rasterize layer, resize it. Press Ctrl T, resize on your remote. And step 2, press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal, move and hold Ctrl, select again, same process first. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.